It's a good question, important question. I would say two things about it. One of the things that I've concluded from the little that I understand from the Quran and trying to apply it on myself is that the Almighty wants us to remain worried, keep asking questions to ourselves whether we are doing it right or not. That's, I think, what He wants. And obviously, when you think honestly, you talk to other people, you read the Quran, you come up with your own answers, your own understanding and decisions. And if you have taken a decision which has a possibility of it going wrong, you'll continue to think about it. Maybe you will change later. The other is how the Almighty is going to deal with it. But honestly, that aspect of our understanding is a matter of both worry and relief. It's worrisome because the Almighty is going to deal with us in accordance with our capacity potential. And, it's something which is very complicated, except for the Almighty. He knows who we are, how capable we are, and what are our circumstances. And the other thing is that He'll be kind, He'll be fair, and He'll be kind. He will not judge people to make them, appear really sinners and worthy of punishment. If there is going to be room for the person to be forgiven, his decision is always going to be on the side of mercy. But we on our own should always worry about the fact that we should not do anything deliberately and consistently. That's another problem. Sometimes you take a decision and you worry, which is a good sign. Some people, they take their decisions and they are firm on them, and they don't even want to review and reconsider. So that's the way it's going to be. We should be worried. He will be kind and fair as well. And he knows everything, obviously. He knows everything.